We strapped on, powered up, and field tested 5 of the most talked about body cameras of 2025. Whether you're in law enforcement, delivery, outdoor sports, or content creation, these cams deliver clarity, durability, and smart features that go beyond just recording. Let's break down what makes each one stand out. The Boblov M7 is a workhorse. With a massive 4,000 milliamp hour battery and fast charging, we recorded for over 15 hours straight, no interruptions. The 180-degree rotatable lens gave us flexible angles, and the 128GB storage handled days of footage. Whether you're a police officer, delivery driver, or civilian looking for personal security, this cam is reliable, rugged, and ready to roll. If you need all-day recording with zero fuss, this one's a top pick. Check the description for product links and the best price. It's built for the long haul. We tested the Transcend DrivePro Body 70 in rain, heat, and long patrols, and it didn't flinch. With IP68 weatherproofing, GPS tracking, and 2K QHD resolution, it's ideal for law enforcement and security professionals. The tethered design keeps it secure, and the 9-hour battery life is solid for most shifts. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth made syncing footage seamless, perfect for professionals who need rugged reliability and location tracking. Tap the description for product links and deals. It's the field-ready cam we'd trust in any weather. The Insta360 Go 3S is a game-changer for vloggers and POV enthusiasts. We mounted it on helmets, pets, and backpacks. It's that versatile. With 4K video, stabilization, and 140-minute battery life, it captured smooth cinematic footage hands-free. It's waterproof up to 10 meters and ideal for creators who want portability without sacrificing quality. If you want creative freedom in a tiny package, this is your go-to. Hit the description for product links and bundle deals. It's the most fun we had testing. The Boblov A22 surprised us with its clarity in low light. We tested it during night hikes and outdoor sports, and the footage was crisp and stable. With 10-hour battery life, loop recording, and 128GB storage, it's perfect for law enforcement and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It's simple to use, durable, and gets the job done. Great for anyone who needs reliable night vision and long recording hours. Check the description for product links and the best price. It's the stealthy performer in this lineup. Finally, the Boblov M7 delivered 2K video with a compact form factor that's IP67 waterproof and drop resistant. We tested it in rough conditions and it held up beautifully. With a 4,200 milliamp-hour battery and 12-hour recording time, it's ideal for law enforcement, security, or anyone who needs a durable cam that won't quit. Perfect for high-impact environments and long shifts. Tap the description for product links and deals. It's the mini tank of body cams. We tested these body cameras in real-world conditions: rain, night, motion, and long hours. Whether you're documenting your day, protecting your team, or creating content, there's a camera here that fits your needs. Don't forget to check the description for product links and the best prices we found. Drop a comment with your favorite and subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews. Your next adventure deserves to be recorded right.